Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D Printer. Compared to Ender 3v2, this Ender 3v2 Neo printer is pre-installed, and the assembly requires only 3 steps. Friendly enough to users and beginners in assembly process, which will save much time. It is convenient for customers to install it in a quick way, more efficient. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you in the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use, the intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the hot bed. It saves much more time for customers in long-time leveling adjustment. Quickly finish the leveling process. The upgraded UI adds a model preview function, making it easier to observe the printing shape and progress for customers, which is convenient for you to know about the model status. Also, it supports 9 languages for different customers' demand. Different from Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3v2, this new released 3D printer comes with a removable PC spring steel magnetic build plate. The innovative printing platform is a combination of a PC coating, a spring steel sheet and a magnetic sticker, which sticks to the surface immediately when released. The PC coating brings good adhesion for filament, and the finished models can be easily removed by bending the print sheet. The mainboard is 4.2.2 version, but it is silent mainboard, which is different from Ender 3 mainboard. This Ender 3v2 Neo equipped with self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing and low decibel operation, create a quiet environment. The extruder is upgraded to full metal extruder, which has greater extrusion force and is more durable, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer can print at up to 250 mm per second speed with 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, faster than Ender 3, Ender 3v2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3v2 Neo, Ender 3S1, Ender 3S1 Pro, etc. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. The optimized UI uses motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters, so you will know how the printer is doing at a glance, providing you a perfect printing experience. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer is easy to put together in 3 steps within about 20 minutes only. It equips CR Touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Leveling is the important process before printing. It usually makes customers in trouble. This 3D printer saves 73% of the time compared with other printers and easily start to print, which is friendly to all of customers including the beginners. The Sprite direct extruder of Ender 3v3 SE enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TPU. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Creality Ender 3v3 SE, dual Z-axis synced by a quality timing belt, ensuring high print quality. The rigid dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively. The Y-axis features 2 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, which underpins a steady and accurate motion of the build platform for a lasting time. Number 3. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro 3D Printer. Equipped with Clipper firmware and powerful processor, ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro can print at 500 mm per second amazing speed, allowing you to produce your creation faster. Both the X and Y axes of Neptune 4 Pro are upgraded to robust all-metal guide rails with U-shaped steel wheels, to ensure less drag and more precision. The 3D printer has 2 independent heating areas. Slicing software automatically identifies the model size and activates peripheral heating zone if it exceeds the central heating zone. Significantly reduce power consumption and speed up heating. Self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder has a 5.2:1 reduction ratio, providing powerful extrusion and smoother filament feeding. Paired with metal throat pipe and unique air duct design to reduce nozzle clogging risk. With a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle and an extended hot end, Neptune 4 Pro ensures faster melting and extrusion, can handle various filament materials, including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Number 4. Snapmaker Artisan 3D Printer. One machine does it all. You can make Snapmaker Artisan 3D Printer to 3-in-1 version with 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting and CNC carving, and helps enhance efficiency with a modular and quick-swap design. Save workspace. Seamlessly switch between 3DP, laser, and CNC toolheads, catering to both daily and professional needs. Artisan Large 3D Printer achieves complex projects with ease in 400mm x 400mm x 400mm larger work area. Improve performance in printing speed and precision with a dual extrusion 3D printing module that is equipped with 7:5:1 planetary plus dual extrusion gears. We introduce industrial-grade transmission technology to desktop fabrication, steel guide rails made by CNC grinding at micron level. This leads to a significant raise in precision, rigidity, and durability. Quick-swap toolheads and platforms let you shift between 3 functions in 1 minute. Artisan 3D Printer also comes with an upgraded one-piece die-cast baseplate in a larger size. It's as steady as a rock even during high-speed CNC machining. Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 3D Printer supports a wide range of materials across its 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving functions. Use various filaments like PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and nylon with a dual extruder, including easy-to-remove supports. Handle wood, metal, leather, and acrylic with different laser modules, and tackle precision machining on tough materials with a 200W CNC module and 4mm CNC bits. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo 3D Printer. Create life-sized projects with ease. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo's massive 16.5-inch by 16.5-inch by 19.7-inch workspace lets you print oversized models like multicolor wall art, pet playgrounds, or even full-scale DIY sand tables, all in one seamless piece. Need to connect additionally with the Anycubic ACE Pro. The Anycubic Kobra 3 3D printer allows your printing in 4 colors. By pairing 2 ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. The Kobra OS firmware platform, paired with SG-15 high-precision bearings and a dual-axis core design, enables printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second and accelerations of 10,000 mm/s superscript 2. This combination shortens printing times, enhances stability and precision, facilitating quicker and more efficient printing process. By utilizing AI recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing.